In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use promo codes for Turo to save money on your next booking. Let's dive right into the simplest way to unlock those savings, so you can get the best deals without any hassle. First, what you want to do is open up your Chrome browser and head over to some of the most popular and reliable coupon websites. These include well-known names like RetailMeNot, Honey, or Coupons.com. These sites are your go-to resources for finding promo codes that can really help you pocket some savings. Once you're on one of these websites, look for the search bar. It's typically located right at the top of the page to make it easy to find. In this search bar, type in Turo promo code or best Turo promo code. Doing this will pull up a list of available promo codes that are specifically for Turo. It's important to use terms like best because this helps in retrieving the most up-to-date and effective codes. The next step is crucial. If you want to ensure that the promo codes you find are not only current but also functioning correctly, you'll want to filter the search results by date and user ratings. Different sites may have slightly varied filter options, but they usually allow you to sort by the newest or most recommended codes. By focusing on the higher rated and more recent codes, you increase the chance of finding ones that are still valid and have worked for other users. Once you have a promising list, take a careful look and decide which promo code you'd like to use. Copy that code. You can usually do this by highlighting the entire code and right-clicking to select Copy, or by using the shortcut Ctrl+C on your keyboard. It's a tiny step that ensures you won't have to retype the code and potentially make any errors. Now that you have a promo code in hand, head over to Turo.com. Start your booking process as you normally would, selecting the dates and the vehicle that suits your needs. When you reach the checkout section, look for a designated area to apply a promo code. It's often labeled clearly as promo code or something similar to ensure there's no confusion. Paste the code by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or use the shortcut Ctrl+V. After applying the code, make sure to check that your final price reflects a discount. This is your confirmation that the promo code has been applied successfully. And there you have it, an easy and straightforward way to save money on Turo with promo codes. Don't forget to double-check that your discount has been applied before finalizing your booking. Thanks for watching, and happy vehicle renting with your newfound savings!